Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, we will be working with the ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. Of course, we will also be using VSCODE and PlatformIO, as in our last videos. I will be using an Arduino Nano, but any Arduino will work for this. Before we get started, let's discuss what the ultrasonic sensor is and what it does. The HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor works by emitting a sound wave at a frequency above the range of human hearing. It then listens for the echo of the sound wave bouncing off an object. By measuring the time it takes for the echo to return, the sensor can calculate the distance to the object. Connecting this thing up could not be simpler. Just connect the trigPin to D10 and the echoPin to D9. Then connect VCC to 5V on the board and the ground wire to ground on the Arduino, and you are now ready to add the code. Let's jump into VS Code. As in the previous videos, we will be using PlatformIO for this, so click on the little bug on the left side of the screen and select Open, and then create a new project and give it a name. Now, let's add the code. The code will be added to the main.cpp file, so click on the src folder, then click the file to open it. To save time, I have pasted my code here. However, I will place all the code in the description down below to make it easier for you. Let's go over how this code works. First, we define the trig and echo pins we will be using. One is going to be an input and the other will be an output. We will also set up the serial port so we can see the distance results in real time. Next part of the code is the loop section. The first thing happening here is the trig pin is set to low, then it waits 2 microseconds and it sets that pin high, then it waits 10 microseconds and sets it low again. This sends out the sound. The sound is then read back from the echo pin, which after a little math, it converts it to centimeters, then it writes the distance out to the serial port, and then the loop starts all over again. Next, we can compile and upload our sketch to our board. To do this, first plug in your board to the USB port. Next, click on the little arrow icon at the bottom of the screen. After it is uploaded, you can click on the Terminal tab to see the output from the serial port on your board. As you can see, it is showing the distance to the object I have placed in front of my sensor. When I move this object closer, the value goes down. When I move it further away, this value goes up. And there you have it. You've successfully used an Arduino Nano with an HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. This simple yet powerful setup can be the basis for many cool projects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and projects. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. See you next time.